Alright, so boom. Me and my bitches was walking down the street looking bad like we usually do. I don't got a dad, but daddy told me I couldn't wear them short shorts no more, cause they only for him. But fuck it, you know them California streets is hot. Sometimes it feels like hell. It's hella funny how every time I walk down that street, I seem to look death in the face. I don't know if it's cause blood died on that street and we used to play there, or cause I always see that nigga Uncle Sam. And he's not really my uncle, but you know how the hood works. And he's ugly as fuck and always trying to get at me. And every time I tell his ass no, he don't know how to stop. He just keeps on until he's talked my insides into a shopping aisle. And after a while, there will be no more walls to hold the price tag on this pussy with his cheap ass pickup lines. He know I don't get down like that no more. Some dudes just don't know when to quit. And I just quit my job and I'm fed the fuck up, even though I eat a lot less now. Daddy says I look good like this. I'm always losing shit. I guess that's what happens in the struggle. Shit, I even lost myself on that street. My old daddy always made sure his lineup was right, and I'm the sharpest he could ever put on the blade. I must admit, the lifestyle was tight as fuck, even if it's what made me get loose. Like his belt buckles, like the ones around my neck. He loves me cause I can hang. I'm the hood's favorite ornament, daddy's favorite main bitch. In these streets, the sides get walked on. So the only way to stay on top is between the sheets or reading between the lines. The fine prints into my lifestyle was tainted underneath the weight of my struggle. I should have read the fine prints, but I'm always on the back page. And white men always find a way to write our stories, even if it has no context. And whatever happened to don't judge a book by its cover? Just because I arch my spine doesn't mean I'm not America's backbone until they give us our bones back. And I always see that nigga Uncle Sam, and you can see the blood through his skin. I wonder what demons he carries around with him. And he has eyes that pierce my soul into a holding cell. So if I ever get caught, I won't be unfamiliar with the system. Even when the cop is dirty, even when that's how I'm feeling in the moment. I used to scrub my skin until it turned red. That's what Uncle Sam wanted. And my granny always told me that cleanliness was closest to godliness. That's why they sweep everything under the rug. Like I wasn't touched by my father at a young age. Incest seems to be black families' common heirloom. That's why he loves it when I call him daddy. It reminds him of his father and his father. And America's forefathers have been distancing themselves from the truth of slave breeding since this body has known doggy style like an 1879 slave. His grip around my neck is so firm, sometimes it feels like there's chains connected to his hands.
Sacramento is known to have one of the highest sex trafficking rates in America.
But I've never considered it to be human trafficking because I've always considered myself to be his bitch. How much of my soul do I have to sell before Uncle says I'm human? How much money do I have to make before I can buy back this body without the walls connected to it?